picked me up as a junior resident in Wadia Children's Hospital, and even in Wadia he took me up to the level of medical superintendent when I left Wadia Children's. So Dr. N.C. Joshi sir, my colleagues in College of Physicians and Surgeons, Vice President Dr. Kavita, Dr. Venkatesh Giri, Registrar Dr. Rajesh Zade, Dr. Naresh Alreja, and all the dignitaries on the dais who are the council members. Dignitaries of the dais are my Guru Mata, Dr. Lata Joshi ma'am, who happens to be Sir's better half. She has also advised us, or she has also taken care of us during our residency when we used to visit Sir's place. She used to guide us. Our secretary, Dr. Prashant, Dr. Jasawala, and last but not least are all of you for whom this convocation ceremony has been arranged. This is the first time that I got an opportunity to speak in front of Sir or give the convocation address. It was my dream, and it's like a dream come true that I always wanted कि Sir should be the guest of honor for the convocation ceremony. Let me introduce Sir in my own words. It's not only me. It is a whole group of family in our days of residency, when there used to be CPS posts at very limited institutions after KEM, Sion and Nair, where they used to give the residency post to only the MD registered candidates or diploma registered candidates. And as an preparatory examination, the residents used to enroll for CPS courses. And amongst very few institutions which were recognized by CPS or where the CPS courses used to run was Wadia Children's Hospital, where there were 10 seats, and those seats were being given to, there was a category called as non-resident or non-registered candidates who are not registered for university degrees. So when I entered Wadia, I was not knowing much about Wadia. First post I got in pediatric surgery. Then Sir took me for the second post under him, where I started getting the blessings. Like me and after me, there are so many pediatricians, or a group of topmost pediatricians in Maharashtra and outside Maharashtra. At present, I think they might be watching this convocation ceremony, because I have informed most of them that Sir is going to deliver a convocation address, and everybody was so happy to know that Sir is going to deliver a convocation address to the students of CPS. These people, they are also been blessed along with me in Wadia. He has taught us pediatrics, basics of pediatrics from the scratch. Everybody knows that during their MBBS period, how much weightage is being given to the subject. Pediatrics used to be a very small subject. In most of the institutions or in the universities, pediatric was merged with medicine. But fortunately in our university, it was a separate subject. But pediatrics means malnutrition, vaccination and finish. Sir always used to say on rounds that don't copy me. Whatever you want to learn from me, or what I want you to learn from me, is the way of thinking, the way of approach to that patient. How I reached to the conclusion. And he never used to see the routine patients. Gastro, lower respiratory tract infections, this, that cases, smaller cases. He always used to say, if you can't manage these cases, then it's my failure. So you show me a case on which I can teach you something, or which is you feel difficult to get diagnosed. I'll get you and lead you to the diagnosis. सरांबद्दल बोलताना नेहमी असंच वाटतं की ते दिवस परत यावे आणि आम्ही परत त्या दिवसामध्ये परत जावं. सरांनी तुम्हाला सांगितलंय, आता थोडं बहुत मी तुम्हाला CPS बद्दल सांगतो. डॉक्टर राजेश दर्डेंनी आता सांगितलं, CPS बद्दल माहिती दिलेलीच आहे सगळ्यांना. तुम्ही स्वतः you are the prestigious students of you are the students of this prestigious institute. This institution has a very strong background of 108 years. आणि आज महाराष्ट्राच्याच नाही तर देशाच्या कानाकोपऱ्यामध्ये 40,000 पेक्षा 40 ते 45,000 पेक्षा जास्त डिप्लोमा होल्डर्स आणि 4 ते 6,000 पेक्षा जास्त फेलोज, they are catering their services towards the humanity or humankind. ज्यावेळेस 2009-10 साली आपले कोर्सेस हे फर्स्ट शेड्यूल ऑफ मेडिकल काउन्सिल ऑफ इंडियाच्या शेड्यूल 1 मधनं डिलीट केले गेले. त्यावेळेस आम्ही खूपच ज्युनियर होतो. आम्हाला असं वाटलं आता आपलं कसं, म्हणजे संस्थेचं कसं होईल आणि विद्यार्थ्यांचं कसं होईल. But we took it as a challenge and an opportunity, and this entire team of mine, we worked very hard and we started following the process of getting re-recognition to the courses. आणि in 2015 किंवा आपल्यावर काय काय लॅक्युनेज आहेत असं आपल्याला MCI सांगते. या सगळ्या लॅक्युनेजला काढून we thought ki it's better to be in the same position or better position which we had left in 2009. 2017 ला आपल्याला परत रिकॉग्निशन मिळालं. 2018 ला परत ते काही गोष्टीचं रिकॉग्निशन. हे पेंडिंग MCIचे परत ऑब्जेक्शन्स आले म्हणून त्यांनी ते थांबवलं. आणि आता आपल्या सगळ्या कोर्सेसना, म्हणजे ज्या 14 कोर्सेस जे उरलेले शिल्लक आहेत आपले डिप्लोमाचे, या कोर्सेससाठी 2 वर्षापूर्वीच a special committee was appointed by Ministry of Health and Family Welfare, and that committee was headed by Dr. B.D. Athani, who was the former Director General of Health Services, Government of India. He and his team. In this team, there was a member from Medical